Today we're going karting at the VMax circuit with electric karts. This video was really fun and I set my best lap time yet. Make sure to watch it to the end to see what my lap time was. As I said in the beginning, these are electric karts and they do have a boost function, which you'll see me use in the video. You have 7 seconds of boost each lap and it makes your kart go a little faster. In the lap, we actually had the owner of the karting place in our session and he actually has the all-time record of the circuit. Enough of the talking, so I'll show you guys my lap. Okay, so let's get on to the laps. I adjust my GoPro a little right there. Here I brake and hit the boost immediately. These first laps I'm just warming up my tires a little. As you can see, I hit the wall a little right there. Warming up my tires and learning the circuit again. I'm adjusting my GoPro because I feel it's not sitting right. This is a very technical circuit, so this is a very technical circuit, so you really have to hit the right apexes. I overtake that person going really slowly right there. I don't know what they're doing. As you see, I really try to hit every single apex so I can have my best lap time. Here you just brake a little, lift off the throttle, and then here you go full on the throttle through these corners and through this corner. You brake hard and press the boost so you can get the full launch. Right there, that's the owner of the place, which was actually a Formula 2 driver. As you saw, he ruthlessly overtook me. And right there, I analyze where he took those apexes so I can do it on my next laps. Here I press the boost to go up the hill. And here I'm flat out. I hit the wall a little because on the corner before I went a little too wide. Here you just lift up the throttle and back on it, full on. Braking hard here, and as always pressing the boost. Here this person just ruined my whole lap. She went in the middle and she ruined my friend's lap as well. But at least now we can have a great battle. Here I press the boost. Try to hit the apexes here. These karts are really fun. They're electric, so you get that instant torque out of every single corner. And they don't really slide that much, which is good. He hits the wall, so I managed to get right past him. But we had a great battle and he drove really well. Braking hard here and pressing the boost. Here I'm really focusing on hitting all of the apexes, as I saw the F2 driver do. Here I go for the overtake, but this person just puts me right in the wall and squishes me. And here again, this other person is right in the middle of the circuit, not doing anything, going super slowly. Honestly, they shouldn't be allowed to go this slowly in a session where people are really trying to get their best lap times. Down the hill. braking hard, and on the boost. Here I press the boost again, try to hit all of the apexes, and I feel like this is my best sector I've done yet. Here flat out, I hit the wall a bit, hurt my ribs a little, but it's all good, guys and girls. Flat out down the hill, brake, and you guessed it, press the boost. These corners, try to keep it and hit every single apex, not going wide on any corner. Using the whole track. Overtake the person going slowly, and here I'm also flat out. Right there, that person does a really dangerous thing. She hits me, basically. She turns in when I'm going for an overtake, which is really dangerous. This is the last lap. As you saw, there were some pit signals, which is indicating that I should pit when I get to the pit lane. But I'm still going for a fast lap. Gets right on the boost here. And here again on the boost up the hill. And now my kart is made to go slower, so I can't go any faster than this, and I go into the pit lane. I managed to do 7 laps and they were quite good. I actually beat my record from last time when I went here. I got a 1:01.293, so 1 minute 1 second and 2/10. And yeah, I'm quite happy with that. The F2 driver actually got a 58.7, so 58 seconds. That's insane. I really hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, make sure to like. If you wanna see more content like this, also with my simulator and driving real cars, make sure to drop a subscribe. If you have any suggestions for future videos, comment them below, and as always, have a great day everyone, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!